Welcome back to the Crafty Homesteader, where happiness is homemade. We are getting all loaded up for our last hunt of the season. We have about a week and a half left of deer season to go. We are going to go up as a family today for the next couple of days to Lake Cooper and spend a couple of days out there camping off-grid and hunting. You can see we have it, the back of the truck pretty stuffed up here. We got this awesome Arctic cooler, our water happening. We got our pots. We're going to be cooking off-grid with a fire. What do you guys consider your must-have camping equipment? We're all ready to go. Alright guys, we have finally reached our destination, Cooper Lake State Park. We're right by the lake. Is this the cabin?
That's two. Cottage two.
I don't know. Alright, we just got here. We pulled up to our lovely little cottage we're going to be staying in. It is off-grid, so there is no bathroom, there's no sink, no cooking. This is what we're going to be using. This and a little camp stove. So here we are, guys. It's really pretty out here. Right by the lake. There's the lake, not that far. Here is our little cabin. At least we have some AC. Mama's not gonna be too hot. This place out here, guys, even though the little shack isn't that great, this place is kind of awesome. They have like little trails. Look at this little amphitheater out here. Has where you can like, you know, has a little stage you can sit. It has like trails all around. It's just actually really cool. What are you guys' favorite place to go camping? This is down in the comments where you guys like to go. This place is super cool. Well, ladies and gents, this is how we are going to be cooking our dinner tonight over the open fire. I have a Ozark Trail outdoor, it's called an Ozark Trail outdoor heavy duty camp grill right here. I'll put a link in the description. That's what we're going to cook our dinner on tonight. Alright guys, meal one at the campsite. We're going to do a little chicken and rice. We got our, this is actually a pantry meal. So we got our cream of mushroom soup, some instant rice, some chicken, 2 quarts of chicken broth. And we're going to be cooking it in this lovely little Dutch oven right here we got set up. I'll let you know how it goes. We're gonna start our chicken and rice here over the fire. We already have our fire going here. We got our Dutch oven going. We already have some chicken broth in there that's warming up. So while that's warming up, I'm going to add some instant rice. We are using instant rice so that it cooks a little faster. Okay. Just to give that a little stir around in there, in that chicken broth, so that it gets nice and moist. And then we're going to put the lid back on so that it can continue to get hot. Already added our rice in there with our chicken broth. The next thing we're going to add is some canned chicken. It's not the greatest, but we are working on a pantry meal, shelf stable, no refrigeration needed. So if you don't have electricity, or your power's out, or this is going to be a good meal that you can cook. We're going to put the chicken in there, and then we're going to put the cream of mushroom soup in there next. Okay, so we're going to add our cream of mushroom soup. It's amazing flavor we got. We're going to give it a little stir. Everything can get nice and warmed up. The flavors can go together. There it is. We got chicken and rice. Yummy, yummy, over the fire pit. Ready to serve up dinner for my boys. God bless and happy homesteading.